All right, guys, so episode number 3, we are on the Territory rebirth. This week's been a bit of a frustrating week. Darian's been sort of on the car all week and it still looks the same as it did last week. So if you looked at it, you'd swear we've done nothing. It's frustrating for me, frustrating for him. It does your head in, but it's there's a lot of little fiddly things that need to get done and it just takes time. So he's got the radiator in, new condenser in. We've got all the pressure sensors are all now in and wired up. All the wiring, as you can see, is all tucked in and moved out of the way. Water meth is now starting to take place and we've got a pressure sensor for that. And our nitrous, which is hidden down in the corner here, that's in there now too. No shame in running nitrous to bring a turbo up. It's, yeah, like a lot of guys carry on about nitrous, mate. You want to put a big turbo on an engine, you use nitrous to bring it up. In saying that, this turbocharger doesn't need any help to bring it on, but it's going to struggle to make power in the top. So if I need to put 200 shot of gas in the top end, then I'm going to put it in there if that's what I need to run a decent time. You don't build these things to muck around, you build them to throw power at it, and if I've got to use nitrous, I'm going to. Got the EGT up there, and then down on the rail, if I can get it down in there, right down in that corner if you can see it, we've got the flex fuel sensor added in there as well. So adding a lot of new sensors in here to basically do a lot of new stuff. So Darian's got the nitrous bottle mounted in the back, which is hidden in behind the back seat. So nitrous express, small little bottle. Yes, I'm a weight weenie, car's fat, it's heavy, it needs to keep light. So and then for those of you who want to know what this is actually the blowdown tube. So when everything goes wrong inside the cabin, it puts the gases out underneath the car. So, but yeah, look, this has all worked out really good. It's not ideal to have the bottle mounted in this position, but you know, I want it hidden out of the way, and yeah, we're not using that much gas in the grand scheme of things, so it's not really going to be a bit of an issue. Darren's sort of halfway through getting the inlet, or so the exhaust manifold set up on the mill to put all the EGTs and EMAP sensors into it. So he's got it here now, got it set up on the mill. He's actually spun the top of the head around to get out of the way. He's using the vertical spindle, which is going to use that to drill all the holes in all the manifolds, so they're all exactly the same height and position, and should come up pretty good. And then once that's done, we'll add in the EMAP as well. So, but for a few people who probably just noticed this split pulse arrangement, I actually made my manifold a split pulse many years ago. It works really good. So but that's kind of where we are with my Territory this week. Unfortunately, we just did not make the deadline. The car was meant to have the engine back in it today, being Friday. But yeah, I had to pull Darian off the job on Wednesday to get another job done in the workshop, and I've had him on it now for nearly 2 weeks, and I've just got to pull the pin on it. Unfortunately, customers' cars do come first, even though I did sneak my car in for a 2-week session in the shop. We just still, unfortunately, just a little bit too busy in the workshop. So we'll hopefully have another update on the Territory maybe in 2 weeks' time, or maybe 3 weeks. If next week goes to plan and we get on top of a few other jobs, we might be able to sneak a few, maybe another day or two back onto it. But at this stage, we probably won't do any updates on the Territory next week, so there'll be another couple of weeks before we do that. But nevertheless, we're not going to give up on it. We're going to get the car done, and yeah, just got to focus on customers' cars at the moment and get back into those. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching the update. Hope you're enjoying it. If there's something specific that you actually want to know about on the car, what we've done or how we're doing it, you know, drop me a line, just send me a message. Probably the best form of contact for me is probably using like Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger. It seems to work the best, but you know, you can still, you know, use the YouTube resources as well. They work equally as fine. It all gets emailed to me at the end of the day, so it makes no difference at the end of the day. But yeah, but anyway, see you on the next one, guys. Catch ya.